Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the extended back post single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see if the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did make regular double crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain and then one regular single crochet into the first stitch right here. I chose to do double crochets for the body because if I was using a smaller stitch, it would be harder to see the stitch that we are currently working. For the sake of the tutorial, I decided to use a taller stitch so it'll be easy to see. For this tutorial, you are going to need to already know how to make chains and how to know how to make the regular single crochet stitch. I have tutorials on those and I will have them listed down below. So we're going to go ahead and begin. You're going to take your hook and you're going to insert it around the next stitch that you would normally work into. This is where you would normally work. You would work into the top. You're actually going to take your hook into the back of your work. You're going to go around that stitch towards the back. Again, it's going to poke out on the other side of that stitch. You're going to grab your yarn. You're going to take it around that stitch and bring it up to where you're working. Yarn over, pull through one loop. Yarn over, pull through two. And then I'm going to work a regular single crochet in the next one. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go from the back of your work towards the front, around that next stitch that you would normally work into, and poke it out to the other side around that stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through, pull it around that stitch, pull it up towards the top of your work. Grab the yarn, go through one loop, grab that yarn, pull it through both loops. And I'm just making regular single crochets in between, so it's going to be easy to see how like it's a regular, the back post, regular back post, okay? So again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go around that next stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch, and pull it up. You should have two loops on your hook. You're going to grab your yarn, go through only one loop. Grab your yarn, go through the last two loops. Okay, so again, this is where you're going to insert your hook in between these stitches right here. Go around the front of this stitch and out towards the back again. Grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch and pull it up. You should have two loops. Yarn over, pull through only one. Yarn over, pull through the last two. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go around this stitch right here towards the back of your work. You're going to grab that yarn. You're going to pull it around that stitch. Yarn over, pull through one. Yarn over, pull through two. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go in between these stitches right here and you're going to go around the front of this one. You're going to grab that yarn. You're going to pull it towards the front of your work and around that stitch towards the back again. Pull it up, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. I'm going to work a regular single crochet into this one right here. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. You're going to go through these two stitches, around this one in the front, towards the back. That's what it's going to look like, okay? Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it around, pull it in front of this stitch, and then towards the back. Yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. I'm going to make a regular single right here at the end. Okay, and that is going to be how to make the extended back post single crochet stitch. You can see that these right here are the regular single crochets that we had made. And these little ones right here around the posts are the back post ones. And this is how the back of your work is going to look. You can see that it's raised from these back post stitches. So it's going to add texture to your work. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.